Look, what is good with y'all? It's your boy Nostalgia New World Order, Young Fine 99XX, all that good jazz. Welcome back to all my subs. Hope y'all are staying inspired. Welcome to all my new people as well. But I shit y'all not, I was sitting on the toilet and this TikTok popped up for these pants that I literally already wanted to make. So I figured, you know, I got some tags. Let's go ahead and get it out the way with. So today we're gonna make these Planet Marcellus pants or something similar. I want to do some pants with some pintucks in it anyway, some flared pintucks. So I'm gonna finish prepping up and then I'll get back to y'all. You need 2 pairs of pants, one of them to add flares and one of them to be the base pair. So yeah, let me finish prepping up. All right, let's get into it. So we're gonna start by popping those bottom hems and then we can pop the outside seams because that's where we're gonna be flaring from. And then I'm just plugging up my iron to get everything ironed down flat. And these pants, oh my God, these things were funky. I was literally dying from the smell of these johns, but still powered through it, ironed everything up. Ironed the other johns up just so I can get everything flat. I want everything perfect. Now that we're prepped up and man, hold on, man. Y'all never believe how my year started, man. I slapped my glasses on. I said, all right, man, start the year off right. Let's go to the gym. Bro, tell me why my glasses pop. And so now that I have to wear them like this. But either way, aside from that, man, got some new glasses coming in. First thing we want to do with these johns is I'm gonna repair all these holes. I'm gonna repair all these little Aeropostale holes. They hitting, but they ain't. It's like 2009 hitting, 2010 hitting. So I'm gonna repair those holes, darn those up, and then we can do the pintucks. So let's do that. All right, so y'all done seen me repair a million times, so I ain't gonna even show that. Finish those up. Now we can cut these flares out. Measuring up how long I need them to be. And then I'm using my tape measure to kind of make like a, I don't know, just make the flare pretty much. You just bring them up to the same point and make sure they're the same length. Add about a 1/2 inch seam allowance, then cut those out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mark my other johns up where I'm gonna do my little pintuck seams. So I'm just taking my ruler and literally just marking it wherever I want to. And they're really going from the distress marks out. I still want them only vertically. I don't want any horizontally. And basically to do the pintuck technique, you're gonna take your fabric, you're gonna fold that boy on the very, very, very edge of wherever you want the pintuck to be, right? And then once you got that boy folded the direction you want the pintuck to go, you're gonna put that boy under your sewing machine at kind of an angle, like you're doing a dart, but just barely, right on the edge. And then once you start sewing that guy, just literally, you don't even want the fabric to be on the other side of the foot. Like, sew that boy on the very, very, very edge. Like Lil Uzi pushed me to the edge. All right, I'm sorry, bro. And then get that boy a good pull. That's all I did for mine, was give him a good pull. But if you don't want to lay flat like this stretchy denim, which is why I hate stretchy denim. If they don't want to lay flat, you might have to take them to the iron. And then give those boys a good iron on both sides. I'm sorry my iron's spitting. He be disrespecting me, bro. He really don't like me. But once you give him a good iron, there's a pintuck, should be laying flat. And that's how you do that. Ooh, do I actually spin bars, bro? What? All right. Now we're gonna take them things to the sewing machine, and all those lines that we marked up, we're just gonna sew all those pintucks on. And that's pretty much it, bro. You just do that, throw the flares on. So y'all lock in, like I say, man, enjoy these beats and just sew them pintucks in. My girlfriend was showing me this TikTok. This boy was eating some scorching food. It was way entirely too hot for him, but he kept going for it. I'm gonna have to drop the link in bio. Then we got back to work, and I realized I low-key didn't even have to open these up to do them. Like, I was gonna do them to throw the flare on anyway, but all the work is on the outside, so you don't really have to open them. All right, y'all, here's how they're looking right now. And I know they look crazy. I know them boys look stressed and under pressure, but give them some time. Let me throw those flares in. Let me give it the dye bath, and they're gonna look mighty crispy. I'll catch y'all tomorrow to throw those flares in. All right, man, what's good with y'all? It's day 2 on these old Planet Marcellus, old stress johns. It really should have been a one-day cook-up, but I'm also working on another crazy pair of pants right now. Y'all just stay tuned, man. The next pair is crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But now I'm just throwing on these flares so I can finish these up. This is really the last, oh wow. This is the last sewing we gotta do. So Let's do that. Now that we've survived that crash and fall, I'm just pinning up those flares, taking those to the sewing machine, throwing them johns in there, doing a 1/2 inch sew up the side, and then doing a top stitch. Same thing for the other side. Adding a few more pintucks just because I can. Look, I ain't gonna say too much, but it's definitely a contender for the hottest pants of the. I can't show too much. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Wait to the end. Let's get this dye bath going. To do that, we're gonna hit that with some color remover. Give it a little stir. And then we're gonna drop them johns, dip them johns in the bath, man. This just makes it an even color. It doesn't make it perfectly white, but gets it real even so the dye, evens out on the pants. I said even 3 times. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit it with this dye bath. We're gonna hit it with a little black. This is the black grit powder. Give that a stir. Then we're gonna hit it with this brown red liquid dye. A little thicker than usual, but we're gonna ignore that. One more for good measures. Give that thing a good old stir. And then you wanna drop them johns. I kinda like to go slow, just so I can make sure I can get an even dye and nothing like comes out blue or white. Then I'm gonna stir them. Then I'm gonna sink them things down low. Then I'm gonna take a shower, cause contrary to popular belief, you do get sneaky making these clothes, man. And then I'm gonna put that shit on. Yes, sir. These things came out perfect, and like, oh my God. I know they don't look like a crazy silhouette on camera, but like these shoes are this big compared to my Timbs. So the flare is huge, snug on my waist, just like I like them. I think this is what people mean when they say skinny jeans are coming back. I don't think skinny jeans are coming back. I think like skinny waist but flare jeans, that's gonna be the next thing. But yeah, man, pintucks sitting perfect, accentuating the silhouette. I put them in the perfect spots. Little phrase at the bottom, not too much distressing on this one. It's a cleaner pair. But man, I appreciate y'all for making it all the way to the end. You really a beast for that. You deserve the world for that. And just remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today.